Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Taking apart the Granite Grom and doing a little bit of maintenance to it. The rear diff seemed a little, didn't seem crunchy, just seemed like it was sticking a little bit. So I took it all apart. All the gears are fine. You can see all the gears right there. Planetary gears are all in there. They all spin nice. Nothing's wrong with the plastic pieces. They all seem pretty good, sturdy still. This is also like a rant to Arrma. Why, when you did put the hexes on, would you use this sort of system right here, this square? They were so hard to get off. You had to pry them off with a screwdriver. I mean, look, I bent them up, scratched them all up. Why would you do that? Why wouldn't you just use the pen? Makes no sense, but I mean, it is what it is, but you know, it makes it so hard for the hobbyist, especially someone starting out, to get those off. I mean, both of them are pretty bad. You had to get in there with the screwdriver, then get in there with a second screwdriver just to pop the other side off and work it back and forth. They were so tight. That means if you upgrade to like CVDs or anything like that, you're gonna have to buy, you know, make sure they come with the pins and get new hexes for it and all that stuff. So, I mean, it works, but it's just kind of funny how they did that proprietary thing, you know. Other than that, so far so good. Everything's coming apart nice. Everything still spins good in it. It's got a metal spur gear. I am going to try swapping this stock motor out. I do want to go up a couple teeth, but I probably just leave it for now. And put this 25 tooth in. Should give me maybe a mile or two faster, which I think will be a good thing on this. It's a little slow, so I would like to get like 5 miles out of it. So if I went in like 2 teeth bigger on the pinion and maybe put like a little fan on here on this one, it would give me that maybe 5 miles an hour faster. So anyways, that's my rant. I can't, you know, my rant, my update. Sorry. And then yeah, I'm gonna rip the front apart so I can get the drive shaft out and all that and clean it all up, and I'm gonna put in some white lithium grease to make it spin a little easier, a little smoother. The front seems to be fine. The back was really iffy. So yeah, just watch where your screws. Most of the screws are the same size. Like all these right here, these are all the same size screws. You do have your, you know, that's for the diff. That's for underneath the flathead ones, you know, and they're all the same size screws. So it's hard to mess up on this little car. And then I cleaned up dusted them all off. Just get a toothbrush and I didn't even wash anything. I just wiped it all down pretty much, you know, air housing. So yeah, there you go, guys. My rant for the day, and their stupid batteries. Stupid batteries. All right, that's my rant for the week. Thanks for watching, guys. You'll have a great week, great holiday. It's coming up. Memorial Day. Remember the vets. What they've done for us. So get out there and go bash a car. Go run into a curb. Break something, fix it. Even if it ain't broke, take it apart and clean it. So thanks for watching, guys. See you Sunday. Peace.